Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to learn a very important Excel function called Vlookup. My apologies upfront if this video gets a bit longer than usual. Usually on this channel we try to keep things shorter and simple. This is a must-know function. It's a high utility function. So if you're someone who uses Excel day in and day out, this function is going to make a world of difference in terms of the effort and time that you save. So it's important that you understand this function thoroughly. So please bear with me and let's get started. So I've got two tables in front of me. One is the source table with employee ID, name, city and sales in dollar million. The other is the destination table with select employee IDs, for which I need to pull in all these details, name, city and sales in dollar million from the source table. So my source table has around 50 odd rows. So imagine having a source table with 50,000 rows, right? So you can't humanly it's not humanly possible to look each and every row and pull in the details for every employee ID, right? So that's where VLOOKUP comes in handy. So let's see how to use that. So I'm going to type in VLOOKUP here, and the first input will be the lookup value. So I'm looking up this particular value. The next input will be the table array. Table array is nothing but your source table. So I'm going to select the source table here, right, comma, column index number. So I'm looking for the name detail. So in the source table the name is in the second column, so column index number in this case will be 2 because it's in the second column of the source table. Then comes the range lookup. So you are looking for exact match of the employee ID, right? So if you're looking for exact match, it will be 0. If you're looking for approximate match, it will be 1. I can't think of a use case where you'll be using approximate match. It's almost always exact match that you're looking for, so it will be 0 every single time, right? So close the bracket, enter. So there you go. So let's just check. So this is nothing but employee ID ending 017. So 017, here it is. So the name is Ricky. So our formula is working. Let's drag this down so that we get the name for all the employee IDs, right? So let's do the same for the city column as well. Equals VLOOKUP, open the bracket, lookup value will be this employee ID, comma, table array will be the source table. Again select the source table. So this time I need the city detail, which is the third column of the source table. So I'm going to type in 3, right, comma 0 again. So close the bracket, enter. Drag it till you get the city details for every single employee ID. We'll do the same for sales as well. We lookup value will be employee ID, comma, source table, comma, this time we need the fourth column. So 4, 0, close the bracket and drag. So yeah, so that's how you make use of VLOOKUP to pull in the values from the source table. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.